Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create and assign a menu in WordPress. If you've ever felt unsure about how to organize your site's navigation or add pages neatly into menus, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be able to design a clean, functional menu that helps your visitors find what they need easily. Whether you're new to WordPress or just brushing up your skills, this walkthrough will make the process simple and clear. Let's begin. First, go to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, head over to the top right corner and click Login. When you see the sign-in options, choose Continue with Google for a quick and secure login. Select the Google account you want to use, and in just a few seconds, you'll be inside your WordPress dashboard. After logging in, navigate to the Quick Links section. Here, you'll see an option called Edit Site. Click that. This will take you directly into your site editor, where you can customize and manage your WordPress website. If you have multiple sites, you'll first see a list of them. Just click the one you want to work on. Once your site editor opens, look for the navigation section. This is where all your main menu items are managed. Click on navigation and you'll be taken to the main area that controls your site's top-level menu structure. You might notice 3 dots next to your navigation list. These represent more options. Click on the 3 dots and from the menu that appears, select Edit. This will open the menu customization mode. Now you can start adding pages to your menu. Click the Add Page button and select any page you want to appear in your main navigation. You can add multiple pages, reorder them, or even remove any that you don't need. Once added, these pages will appear as clickable menu items for your visitors. To make your site even more organized, let's add a submenu. Click on the page you just added and you'll see several small icons appear. Select the one that represents Add Submenu. This allows you to create drop-down sections, perfect for grouping related pages or categories under one main item. Now, choose the page you want to add as a submenu and place it beneath the main page. You can repeat this for as many submenu items as you need. When you're done, take a moment to review your navigation. Make sure all pages are correctly linked and the hierarchy looks the way you intended. Once everything looks good, save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created and assigned a menu in WordPress. With a well-organized navigation structure, your visitors can explore your content smoothly and efficiently, giving your site a professional edge. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress and website design guides. See you in the next one.